Over the last year, a partnership has been in the works between two giants of the auto industry. The two mentioned are, of course, Tesla and Toyota. As stated before, this partnership has been in review since last year, and it appears that it is about to become a reality, which could mean big things coming to the automotive world. Things such as a long-awaited car that is not only electric, but also affordable that Tesla has been talking about. This could also be big news for Toyota, seeing how they've appeared to show a growing interest in the electric and autonomous driving of commercial vehicles. This brewing team-up could show great sales numbers for both Tesla and Toyota, the latter of which is currently #1 in vehicle sales as of 2020. And with the sharing of information, this could be huge for each company individually. Now, what exactly does Toyota teaming up with Tesla mean for the industry? Well, it would appear that if Tesla and Toyota were to partner up, Tesla would then be able to launch a brand new and compact SUV EV that could be developed at a relatively low cost. And with low development costs, hopefully lower consumer prices would follow. Now, this would only be made possible by Toyota providing the vehicle platform, while Tesla would be focusing more on the software and the electronic control platform. Needless to say, this combination of Tesla's software expertise and the engineering ability that Toyota has will almost certainly be game-changing to the auto industry as we know it. Now, we all remember that in the fall of last year, Tesla stated that it plans to produce a car that will not only be affordable but also electric, and Tesla wanted this to be done by the year 2023. It seems that this may become possible with the partnership that we are seeing form in front of us. This would have seemingly major impacts both economically and ecologically. Having an electric car that is affordable will hopefully lead to a widespread availability among the consumer market and less carbon emissions from the auto world. Tesla teaming up with Toyota could also improve sales for Tesla in Japan, which currently aren't bad but could be a lot better. The sales in Japan are currently around 1,000 units annually, and with Toyota involved, those numbers will likely improve significantly, seeing how Toyota sold 1.45 million vehicles in Japan alone last year. In this last year, Toyota sold over 9 million vehicles total worldwide, which means that for the first time in 5 years, it has surpassed Volkswagen for the top sales. These numbers would also seem to only improve with a partnership with Tesla. Now, what does this partnership mean for Toyota? Well, to put it simply, Toyota wouldn't have to focus as much on its electronics and software. With Tesla's help and focus mainly being on the electronic control platform and software, Toyota will no longer have to catch up to Tesla and their ability to improve vehicle functions through wireless updates. They won't have to catch up because they will now be working together towards the same goal, which means that Toyota will be able to keep the bulk of its focus on its highly praised engineering skills. And that of course means higher quality vehicles at a lower cost point, which is something that everyone can be happy about. Not much is currently known about the SUV EV that could be in development once this partnership is solidified, but it would clearly be a smart move on both companies' sides. This wouldn't be the first time that Tesla and Toyota have teamed up, however. Back in 2010, Tesla and Toyota had a previous collaboration which resulted in the development of the 100% electric RAV4. This compact SUV was released in 2012 and marketed between 2012 and 2014. There were 2 generations of the RAV4 EV, and both saw decent sales numbers while they were in production. The first generation was released in 1997 in a limited number, and Generation 1 saw a total of 1,484 leased or sold in California. And the second generation was when Tesla stepped in.
I think one of the most exciting days in Tesla history, because we're announcing this historic partnership with Tesla and Toyota.
The companies announced the resurrection of the RAV4 EV. This generation of the electric SUVs had a limited production of 2,600 units and saw a total of 2,489 of those sold throughout 2015. With these sales numbers, plus the technological advances that have occurred between 2012 and right now, it feels safe saying that Tesla and Toyota's new and affordable electric SUV will be a big hit. Let's take a second look at this from a technological standpoint. We will have 2 auto giants teaming up together, not for the first time, but for the first time in over 5 years. Toyota and Tesla have a history together that would seemingly make this partnership a seamless transition. And with the growing popularity of Tesla CEO Elon Musk, it will come as no surprise that this deal will be put in the limelight. Everyone will be on the edge of their seats waiting to hear news about what innovations are yet to come. Tesla, as we all know, is well known for its software features, not the least of which being Tesla's autopilot, which guarantees more relaxing commutes. It's also been praised for Sentry Mode, which is a pretty unique feature. Sentry Mode uses cameras that have been placed all around the car, originally intended for autopilot to act as thief repellent. Thanks to cameras on the front, rear and sides of the car, the vehicle owner can catch most situations on camera. Many customers really enjoy the added sense of security that comes with this state-of-the-art technology. And last but certainly not least, Tesla offers what they call over-the-air updates, which are pretty much exactly what they sound like. If there's an issue or a bug that needs to be fixed in the software, you can simply download whatever updates Tesla may have put out for that vehicle straight from the car itself. This of course would transition into the collaboration with Toyota to ensure that if anything were to go wrong or should there be any software bugs that need fixing, the driver can handle it all right from the comfort of their vehicle. The engineering features that Toyota will provide for this partnership aren't anything to look around either. With the release of the Toyota Corolla in 1968, the company set a standard as an affordable, compact and high-value sedan. The terms affordable and high value seem to contradict one another, but with the Corolla the two went hand in hand. And since 1968, all of Toyota's vehicles have followed the same sales model. All of their cars are marketed as affordable and of the highest quality. And with Toyota's sales numbers and years on top of the market, it will be no surprise if this SUV EV sells extremely well. Toyota has always been one of the top auto companies in the business, and recently in 2020, it saw its hybrid sales double in number. The RAV4 is currently the best-selling SUV for the 4th year in a row. That, combined with Tesla's growing popularity, marketing a new SUV EV should be no problem for the auto giants. Another potential win for Toyota would be the access to the Tesla's superchargers and batteries. At this time, Toyota is the lead in sales when it comes to hybrid cars, so the access to fast charging ports for their current vehicles and ones to come would be a major step forward for Toyota. In a tweet, Elon Musk stated Tesla is open to licensing software and supplying powertrains and batteries. We're just trying to accelerate sustainable energy, not crush the competition. This could be seen as him openly saying that Tesla is more willing to share all of their innovations with the world, which is shown to be true by the 2021 release of Toyota's all-electric RAV4 using the Tesla battery system. This partnership would mean that Toyota is first in line for more of Tesla's game-changing innovations. This partnership would seemingly be a large move in the auto industry. Most of it is only talk and rumour at this point, but don't be too shocked if in the near future we get the official announcement that Tesla and Toyota are once again teaming up to bring the world an affordable, high-quality electric vehicle. This may only be the tip of the iceberg on what's to come. As always, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all of the news surrounding the world of technology.